One woman is now on a mission to encourage other African Americans to get the coronavirus vaccine. Sharon Hawks' grandfather died while part of the Tuskegee experiment. Many say that piece of history is one of the reasons there is vaccine skepticism in our minority communities. But Hawks says even though the past is certainly painful, she believes the science behind the COVID-19 vaccine is safe. And there's a new effort underway this week to deliver vaccines to minority communities in New Jersey. Black clergy leaders are spearheading the push in Newark, using churches and schools to stage pop-up vaccination events. They say they want to push back against the notion that as people in minority communities avoiding the shot.
To inform, to educate, and to help people to understand the need for them to take the vaccine, and to calm some of the fears around them, quote, taking it.
Organizers say demand for those shots is now surging, and there's a waiting list with more than 1,000 people on it. Dr. Ivanaviciene is back with us now. Doctor, how important are these types of pop-up events, especially in minority communities, and what more can we do to dispel some of those myths that are certainly out there, and many for good reason when you consider the history?
I think it's very important, the education, very important to gather together and explain science behind the vaccination and importance in reducing the disease severity, hospitalizations, and the death. So every single effort is very important to attract more people in the minorities and increase in the vaccination rate. As we know, even with the biggest effort, we still see the very, very low numbers in the vaccination in African American population and in Latino population.